NordicTrack commercial treadmill pricing explained what you get for your money. When it comes to high-end treadmills, NordicTrack is a heavyweight. But most people don't realize how much you actually get with their commercial series. Let's break it down. The NordicTrack Commercial 1750, one of their best sellers, costs around $499. That includes a 14-inch touchscreen, automatic incline and decline control, and a strong, quiet motor designed for serious runners. But here's the surprising truth: the real value comes from the IFIT membership that powers the experience. Per month, IFIT gives you access to thousands of interactive workouts led by professional trainers from around the world. You can virtually run through destinations like Iceland, Kenya, or the Swiss Alps, and your treadmill automatically adjusts the incline and speed to match the terrain. It's immersive and motivating in ways a basic treadmill simply isn't. Most people get this wrong. They think NordicTrack is just another home treadmill. But with smart integration, personalized coaching, and real outdoor simulations, it's closer to having a private fitness studio at home. For your money, you're getting durability, technology, and global training experiences that make every workout an adventure. If you want performance, versatility, and long-term value, the NordicTrack commercial series delivers far more than its price tag suggests.